Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Decor Inspo if there, and welcome back to the channel if you love working with wood and want to turn that passions into profit. You are in the right place. Today we are sharing unique and simple wood crafts ideas that are not only easy to make but also sell really well. Let's dive in. Wooden font stands. First up, wooden font stands. Everyone use a phone, and a stylish wooden stand is both useful and beautiful. You can make simple design using scrap wood, add a little engraving or paint for a custom touch. They are great for desk, nightstands, or even kitchens, and they sell fast at crafts fairs or online. Rustic wall shelves. Next, rustic wall shelves. People love adding a rustic or farmhouse look to their homes. These shelves are easy to build using reclaimed wood or pallets. You don't need fancy tools, just a saw, some nails, and maybe a bit of stains. Market them as handmade home decor, and you have got a bestseller. Wood key holders. Here's and other simple ideas. Wooden key holders. There are small, practical, and easy to personalize. You can add hooks, carve names, or paints. Fun, quiet, great for housewarming gifts, and they are quick to make in batches. Wooden coasters. Next, let's talk coasters. Wooden coasters are super easy to make and sell in sets. You can keep the design simple and burn patterns into them with a wooden burner tools. They are popular at markets, and you can even offer custom sets with name or initial wood toy blocks. If you like making things for kids, wooden toys blocks are a great idea. They are safe, fun, and can be made from smooth, non toxic wood. You can paint them with letters, animals, or colors. Parents love natural toys, especially if you they are educational. Candle holders are another simple but classy wood projects. You can make tea light holders or even tall pillars stands. Add a rustic finish or carve out unique shapes to make them stands out. They are perfect for romantic gift or home decor. Wooden signs. Lastly, wooden sign with quote or names. They are always in demand. You can hand point them or use stencils. Sign for kitchens, bathrooms, and wedding or welcome signs all sell well, especially if they are custom. And that's it for today. Which woodcraft idea will you try first? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell for more crafty tips. Thanks for watching and happy crafting. Thank you so much. Bye bye.